ki khubor ka batisi TV. Lawan ra asyapi da ka singam beats aqua na molai moro hakajing dap sans nem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan loan so po Shillong. One bantiet ya kakali Datsun ready go bathamai kabas kem bat bidor.
U District Transport Officer jong ke East Khasi Hills District uba arhing haka laitrik unok pra arajar arpo ula pelaj Paidbah ya kakali bathamai ya kabala ai kerteng kum ke Nissan Magnite. Ya kani kakali bathamai la pelaj Paidbah haka jingelang kabalalong haka showroom jong ke Orange Nissan kabadan ha Fire Brigade Shillong haka balaya don langru u Managing Director jong kani ke company di kali uba Shempang Lingdo u General Manager uba Kershan Khongwir bat kiwei kinong sha khots ngobha.
I hope you've all been well. I would like to take this opportunity to welcome our respected Chief Guest, Mr. R. Hing, who have joined us today, and I would like to welcome our Sir MD, Ma'am, and every one of you to join us today on this momentous occasion, the launch of the all-new Nissan Magnite in our city.
Big, bold, beautiful. All new Nissan Magnite. Bookings open soon.
This car is here to attack the highly competitive compact SUV space in India.
And the impressive new Magnite is what they came up with. The Magnite going on to become the next big thing for Nissan.
It's a compact SUV with big ambition.
Just can't wait to take it out on Indian roads.
What was in our minds when we designed the all-new Nissan Magnite for the Indian customers? Rakesh, what a fantastic journey! It has been the creation of this charismatic SUV. I am glad to see our customers, friends from the media, partners, dealers, employees, and well-wishers join us today in this joyous occasion.
Friends, shortly we are going to witness, you are going to feel and explore by yourself for this head-turner product which the Nissan has given to us. The Nissan has given to our customers in India. It's indeed a big, bold, beautiful car which really turns our heads if once this car is on the road. The looks, the design and the technology which puts in this car is indeed marvelous. It is looking good from the front, from the back, from the side, inside out. It's great in everything. So we are really fortunate to get this product which can cater to the needs of our Indian customers.
It is a privilege to be part of this program in launching of the new Nissan Magnite, vehicle manufactured by Nissan company. I am thankful to Sri Bak Sempang and the sister team for inviting me here today. In the past, there were only few companies manufacturing vehicle in our country. That is like Hindustan Motor, Mahindra and Fiat. In the category of passenger vehicle, with the coming up of the different manufacturing companies in the country, the members of the public can now choose and compare different models with advanced technology. Today, the new model Nissan the new Nissan Magnite being launched by the Nissan company. The people have one more choice to choose. I wish the model will serve the taste and liking of the people and a successful one. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Nissan Magnite, big, bold and beautiful.
पार्टी का सामान You rock it big, oh, oh. You rock it bold, oh, you got the love, you got the love, you rock it big.
Charisma is feeling like a rock star every time you're in your car.
You got the love.
Presenting the big, bold and beautiful, all new Nissan Magnite. Ignite your charisma.